for my project these last 2 weeks. It's been interesting continuing to see my articles grow and my website grow. And for this article, I actually had a great time. But there were a couple challenges. I was trying to do something different where instead of having a picture right out of the gate, I actually had the picture come down a little lower. And I did that just to try something different. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of it though. But so I think next time I'm working on a big project or a big article, I'm going to have that picture start right at the beginning. Another difficulty I have besides formatting is also just meeting this deadline. This is my last project I'll be working on before I graduate, and I already have a job lined up. And so just remembering these deadlines has been the biggest issue. But besides that, I've enjoyed writing these articles, and I feel like the wording is getting better. And I feel like they're getting longer as well. I feel like these articles are becoming more engaging as I've been writing and as I've been receiving insight from my mentor. My mentor has been doing a great job of letting me know what I can improve on and how I can improve. And I feel like as you read these articles, you'll be able to see those improvements. So yeah, this article though, I really did enjoy it. And this is something I want to continue pursuing even outside of this course. I want to be able to continue to build this website and to continue to build these articles as well so that I can showcase them at a later point in my career.